Hi, welcome to my channel, Everything in Between. So, I'm going to be showing you another way of making money passively, making money by doing nothing. So, today's platform is called Moneysms. This is the app, and I'm opening it, and I'm going to be dropping the download link to the description box below. So, let me show you how it works. How money SMS works. You get paid 0.02 pounds for each received automatic SMS sent from your system. Run the app in the background and wait for the SMS to deliver. Make sure that you have good internet connection and always remain online to see instructions and FAQs. So basically, you register on the app and then register, put your phone number. I do not know, I tried using MTN, it didn't go, but then I used Airtel and it went. So I don't, they will tell you MTN is not yet available on this platform, if I'm not mistaken. But you put in your phone number and then just leave the background running the same way you on the app, only gain app, and just leave it in the background. So after registration, you just leave it in the background running, and by itself they send SMS to your phone. Basically what they are doing is they are testing the connectivity. So you can withdraw when you get up to £2. Oh, sorry, €2. Sorry, €2, not £2. So they drop in SMS into your account, and the SMS really doesn't make sense. You're not even supposed to read it. It's just, you get the SMS from Google. Basically, their clients want to check. I've forgotten how they said they did that thing. Okay, so this is another way of making money passively. Just put in the Money SMS app, leave it to run in the background, and then when you get up to two hero, you can to withdraw into your PayPal. Yeah, you're able to withdraw into your PayPal account. Okay, thank you for staying tuned. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that, and also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop any money making or money saving ventures on this channel. So till next time, bye.